Hello and welcome back to How to Bloke. Now today we're going to be making popcorn, homemade popcorn.
Yay!
Exciting, eh? Right, so what we need is three things. We need three ingredients. We need corn, popping corn. This is popping corn, right? Buy a decent quality popping corn. Some cooking oil, frying oil, not salad oil or olive oil, and some salt. And a big pan with a lid. Must have a lid. You can't do it without a lid. So, here we go. We're going to do this in real time. So, watch carefully. We're going to put this ring on maximum. We're going to take the lid off and we're going to put in to this pan here 1, 2. Right, that's two tablespoons of oil. And we're going to zhuzh it around like that. Okay, now we're going to get the popping corn. Remember, it's popping corn. It says so on the packet. How much are you going to put in? Well, you want 1 layer deep of corn on the bottom. So mustn't have 2 layers. So if you want to do loads of corn, you have to do it in batches. Give it a whiz round like that. Right, that's as much corn as you really want in that pan. Okay? So, we're not going to add anything else yet. The ring is on hot, like you can see like that. So now we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to wait. Simple as that. Now, let me talk about corn. The quality of the corn. Yeah, I bought corn before. It doesn't pop very well. And you get lots of kernels, these are kernels, that don't pop. And they just... it's a bit of a waste of money really. And I bought some before that only pop half. And I think they're probably old or stale or... So look at the expiry date on the corn. I think that has got a lot to do with it. Although they're dry, I mean you couldn't crack one of those with your teeth, you'd crack your teeth first, but that they are I'm sure they go out of date. I'm not a popping corn expert, but corn, as far as corn's concerned, it's a healthy snack. As long as you don't put, well, you can have sweetened corn if you want, but that involves an extra step. This family, we like salted popcorn. That's it, to eat with by the TV or to have as a quick snack whilst you're doing something on a computer, or just to sit there and you can have it with. You can put it with nibbles. What I call nibbles is like peanuts and crisps and stuff. If you have a little get together with a few drinks, just put a pot of popcorn there. You'd be surprised how many people will probably go for the popcorn rather than the crisps because the crisps contain a lot of fat. So the popcorn really is a healthy thing if you don't add sugar with it. Don't put too much salt with it because it will be bad for you then. Too much salt is bad. So what's happening here is I'm not going to take this lid off, but this is a glass lid, so in a minute you'll be able to see the corn popping. We're doing this in real time, no breaks. And once it starts popping like that, keep the heat on maximum. Keep it on maximum and give the pan a little zhuzh. Like that.
Oh, that's really cool.
And you can see all that. Now if you didn't have a lid on here, one, it wouldn't reach the right temperature, all the heat would escape, and all these popcorn would be flying out. So you've got to have a lid, and preferably a glass one, so you can see what's going on. Now, you see how that's filling up?
Much more exciting than microwave popcorn.
Absolutely, and microwave popcorn's got things with it. It's not as healthy, I don't think, as popcorn made on a stove like this. Homemade popcorn, how easy is that?
So
and it's the smell coming out. You can see the steam wafting out here. This is a real popcorn smell. Keep giving it a zhuzh like that. Now, the popping was going to slow down because the grains of... Now, if you keep it on there too long, it's going to burn. So when it's reached to that, hardly any pops, take it off. Turn the heat off, because it's done. Now, there's going to be a few grains in there that left looking like this. Well, they're never going to pop in a month of Sunday, so that those ones are kind of wasted. You expect it, some popcorns, not corn, not to pop. So let's do this now. We're going to pour it out into a bowl. So give it another. And then we get this pan red hot. And the steam is hot. Steam is hotter than boiling water. So take it off. Careful you don't burn yourself. Scald yourself on the steam. Okay, so here we go.
Yay!
Now, look. See that? Look, let me get a spoon. There's a few in there, a few kernels in there that haven't popped.
Oh,
see that?
Little, isn't it?
No big deal, is it? How many is there? You can count them on 2 hands. Look, so not a loss has been wasted at all. So what we do, put them in there like that.
It's a huge bowl as well.
Nice big bowl, use a nice big bowl. So, that's going to go in the sink in a minute, together with a spoon. Well, what do we do with this then? Well, what we need to do now is to portion it out. So all the people watching TV, or if you're going to use it for that, get their own separate bowl. So what you do is, you don't go like that, you go like this. One for you.
Could you put them in just little popcorn, like those party popcorn
Sure,
boxes?
you can put them in anything. It's just whatever is convenient. I know that if you're going to watch a movie, you need some popcorn to go with it. You could probably eat all that in one go, but, you know. Now there's another one. There's another one. So look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bowls worth there. Look, that's the rest in the bowl. So, and then you don't have to put salt in it, but salt makes it better. So you're just going to put some salt. Now the salt you put in is not a really coarse salt that you normally use. Not salt like looks like that, crisp big stuff. You want to put in a milled salt. So this is a salt mill. So like that. Now that should be enough salt for everybody, for everybody's taste. If it's not, then you just can put a little bit more on. But as I say, don't put too much salt on it because salt's not good for the blood pressure and all that. If you're getting off that, children doesn't matter. You know, they eat anything and they're happy with it. If it tastes, they don't care about whether it's healthy or not, as long as it tastes good. So there we are. Here's my recipe for homemade popcorn. You can see how long it's taken. No time at all. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like what you saw, what I've done, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. And until next time.